And so I'll follow you. Thanks. So we're here to try to get our keys back because they said they had them. So hopefully we can go and get our keys without any issues. We're at the Madison Police Department in Madison, North Carolina. So we definitely don't feel like this is the safest place in the world, so that's why we're live. Thanks. Okay. Okay. Where's that? Right here. All right. Okay. Where?
To your left.
All right.
Hi.
How you doing? Keys.
Yes, here to get some keys.
Keys.
Yep. They should match these guys. Like identical match here.
Oh yeah, that'll. If you don't mind, you mind if I take those? I don't mean to. I was just gonna look and make sure.
Okay.
All right.
Do we know who found them or who had them?
They were found by a member of Public Works.
Okay.
I'm not sure that I wasn't here. I'm not
right.
sure the whole thing on it. I'm gonna turn them back over to you though.
All right.
Make sure I got everything right. And all this is saying that they were returned to the owner, and you can read that if you want to. It's completely up to you. That's if you will. All it is print and sign just that we returned them. That's all it is. You want to read the front?
Yeah,
you can. Yeah. That's fine. Go ahead.
Maybe these yours? Are these yours?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Let's see. Name. PBA of Madison. I'm gonna take a picture of this if I'm gonna sign it.
No, I mean, I don't think we need to sign it. We identified those as ours. Like,
Yeah.
you can put like,
sign it.
you know.
Can you put like accepted and didn't sign?
Oh, I'll put
Yeah.
accepted, refused to sign.
All right.
Can
Cool.
I still take a picture of it since it's public record?
Now, for you guys, is a complaint process. Can you do that online or over the phone, or how's that work?
We in person.
Do you have any forms, like complaint forms?
I do.
Can I take one of those or a couple of those?
Sure.
All right.
Let me just finish this up.
Yeah.
Fill out email it in.
Mm-hmm. Well, I mean, we can scan it and put it up, and people can make their own copies and mail them in if they want. You accept them by mail, right? If the people get a form.
Let me ask, be sure. But
Okay.
I'll find out for you.
All right.
Just give me a second. And all I'm doing, I wrote your name on part right refuse sign. You okay with it? Renee, can you get that? That's all I did. You want to see it?
Yeah.
All right, hang on 1 second. I'll be right back with the information for you.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. You can say it out loud.
Yeah. Well, his hands are shaking. They saw it when he held the paper up. I just don't want to make him nervous.
Yeah. She's saying his hands are shaking.
He's trying to do things right.
Yeah, that's what I mean. I tried having a conversation with Benfield and Michael and even Smith here the other night. And it's like, hey, you guys are just poorly trained. You know, I'll help you guys get the training you need and education you need on Constitution, and you know, they refused. So.
Yeah, I'm doing something else. Okay. All right. Yes. Mailing.
Mailing?
I'm sorry.
Okay.
I don't mean to be all over the place.
Yeah, no worries.
Okay.
I think you guys have been busy today.
Here is this back page is more of a PD page, but here's a narrative, and here's our complaint form.
Okay.
hear it.
Do you have a records request form as well, or do you know if that can be done online?
What I was told is if you wanted to do this, you can request it on here too. Like maybe in the narrative request
For records? Okay.
Yes, yeah, that's what I was told this morning.
All right.
Okay.
All right.
I don't have a specific separate request form.
Yeah. Well, I mean, I'm pretty familiar with the GS 132, the North Carolina statutes for public records, and you guys can accept them basically in any format that they're made. If people email it, they don't have to be an official form.
That's what I was told, is if you just
Yeah.
put it on there.
Okay.
That's what I was told.
All right.
That's just your standard form.
Yeah, that's our standard complaint.
All right.
If you want to put that on there too, you
Cool.
can.
Can I get your name?
Okay. I'm Sergeant Strader.
Strader. All right. Thank you. Appreciate it. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
Keith,
You got your keys? I got mine. Yeah.
Oh, wait.
Yeah. Let's get out of here.
I read you what's on that form.
Yeah.
That's why I took it.
Let's get all the way out to the road. Sure. Turn left again or what?
Yeah. No, we can. Let's go right.
Go right?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
If I'm wrong, we can just turn around. If I'm wrong, we can keep walking.
All right. Let's stop here. Let me listen if we're still live or not.
We'll take a left, because otherwise it's a lot farther. Bring him on back. That was a police SUV.
All right. Can you tell? Are we still good?
Unable to connect at this moment. That's...
Wow. They said that one of the comments said as soon as we walked through the door, it was gone.
Oh my god.
Hey, are you guys still here?
They said don't go inside the building, the screen is black.
Oh. All right. You
No,
want to read?
I'm glad I didn't read that before we went in the building.
You want to read
Oh yeah, the
thing that they wanted to
Let's
get you to
see.
sign for our keys?
Yeah, let's see what it said. I didn't read the whole thing because, let's see. All right, it says narrative. It has a name and address of who found it. I won't read that. This person with Public Works found the keys in the PVA of the Madison Police Department and turned them over to Officer...
PVA.
What's PVA, guys? Personal vehicle? PVA.
Public-
I'm not going to guess. PVA.
In public vehicle area?
Oh, maybe like their parking lot?
I don't know.
Turned him into to one of the officers, and they contacted me, and then I advised I'd come in Monday.
Okay.
So I'm
That's
curious
it.
what PVA. Yeah, I
Alright.
just thought it was interesting that I don't know what PVA means. So.
Well, we have both sets of keys.
Woo!
So
Go left.
they, they stole her keys Friday night, and they have, I guess, a statement from somebody with the Public Works. They found it here at the police department. So, yeah, I mean, there's video evidence of Keith Binfield stealing the keys, and they show up here at the police department. So, it doesn't take much deductive reasoning to put one and one together there. Like, yeah, the person that stole it ends up where the person works. So, but hey, we got it back. So, don't know if they made copies of the keys. So, there's that security issue that we're gonna rectify. Already have rectified, but we did get a copy of their complaint form, and so I'm gonna ask Mrs. J to get a good scan of that for you guys, and we'll put it up on probably the community page, so then anybody can get it, print it, fill out any complaint you want, and mail it in. They said they can receive it by mail. Since they keep telling people, huh? They said email?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
He said as long as they get it back on that form.
Oh, okay.
That's
So yeah,
standard
there you go. You can email it. So.
Yeah, because they didn't hear that part. But
All right.
yeah.
So, but they're refusing to do complaints over the phone and stuff like that. So, anything?
I just thought I'm not in that building anymore.
Yeah, agreed. All right, we're gonna cut the feed and go find our personal conveyance and go travel out of this
I vote we get some lunch.
area of
Tyranny?
tyranny. Yeah. So, all right, peace and love, everybody. Dale, press the lever. All right, we have to stop.
It's not.
Sometimes it doesn't go from swipe. I have to like drag my hand everywhere.
Until it says it.
Yeah.
Then they get to watch.
All right, I think that's it.
Looking up our noses.
All right, there we go. There you go. Peace and love. Dale, press the lever.
So many comments. Love you.
Yeah. They said as soon as we walked through the door, the live stream dropped. Mm-hmm.
And it was all dark and creepy there. And his hands are shaking. I'm like, I don't want to be with the person who has a gun.
Yeah.
His hands are shaking.